Good evening, everybody.
Ma'am, good evening.
How are you?
Ma'am, I am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, good evening.
Good evening. आपके सर को कुछ काम पड़ गया इसलिए वो आ नहीं पाए हैं। आज आपकी क्लास मैं लूंगी। आपकी मैथ्स की क्लास में क्या चल रहा है?
Ma'am, rational numbers.
Ma'am, rational numbers. Ma'am, rational.
Okay. I'm not going to teach you maths. I'm just asking. But this is not an English class. This is a doubt class. We will keep a doubt class today. If you have any doubt in any subject or out of the subject also, you can ask me and I will answer your queries. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Sneha Bansal. Ma'am, my Google form is not coming on my email ID.
Yes, it is not coming in your email ID. मैंने सर को भी सेंड किया था कि आपकी गूगल आईडी पे आपका टेस्ट क्यों नहीं आ रहा। आपका टेस्ट इसलिए नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि जब आपने ईमेल आईडी एंटर की, यू वर नॉट अटेंटिव। आपकी ईमेल आईडी में दीप्ति बांसल में पीछे जो एल आता है, आपने वो एल टाइप ही नहीं किया, तो वो इनकरेक्ट ईमेल आईडी हो गई। अब करेक्ट ईमेल आईडी पे मैं वहां पे मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है कि गूगल फॉर्म की मैं आईडी चेंज कर दूं। जो आपने फीड की है वहां पे आईडी, मैं उसी आईडी पे मेल कर सकती हूँ। मैं आपका टेस्ट देख सकती हूँ, बट मैं उसको किसी और ईमेल आईडी पे अदर देन द वन दैट यू हैव शेयर्ड, यू हैव फीड इन दैट कॉलम, आई कैन नॉट सेंड इट. So that is why I was saying that you have to be very attentive even if something doesn't carry marks. आपको patience रखनी है.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am. एक्चुअली ना यहाँ पे ना नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, तो यहाँ पे रिटर्न में ना कई बार ना ऐसा हो जाता है कि हमें दिखता है कि हमने लिख रखा है और नहीं आता है वो उस पे। तो मैंने देखा था, सारा चेक किया था पेपर की हो गया है नहीं हो गया, तो उसमें आ रहा था कि दीप्ति बंसल ही लिखा है। मैंने ईमेल भी अच्छी तरह चेक किया था, लेकिन उसके बाद पता नहीं ऐसे क्या होगा कि वो लिखा ही नहीं आ रहा।
अच्छा, फिर अब क्या किया जाए? मैं भेज भी नहीं पा रही हूँ। अब आप लोग सारे बच्चे क्या काम करोगे? दिस इज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. You will either create one email ID or you will practice to type the email ID that you are going to use to attempt the tests with us. जो भी Google Forms पे टेस्ट होते हैं वो एक ईमेल आईडी, उसमें मैंडेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट है, नहीं तो हम आप लोगों को आपका टेस्ट भेज नहीं पाएंगे. The only thing I can check right now is what response one student has given, but yeah, other student has given. But if your email ID is not correct, I cannot rectify it. I cannot share your test paper with you. All I can do is to check the Excel sheet if the result of any student is missing in it. Apart from this, I will not be able to do anything. पिछली बार आपका ईमेल आईडी करेक्ट था, इसलिए मैं आपको आपका टेस्ट भेज पाई थी स्नेहा, लेकिन इस बार आपका ईमेल आईडी ही रॉन्ग है. बट इफ आई विल डू इट फॉर वन, दैट इफ आई विल ट्राई एंड आई विल गो एन एक्स्ट्रा माइल की कुछ भी कॉपी पेस्ट करके मैं आपको आपका टेस्ट भेजूंगी, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी ईमेल आईडीज गलत लिखी हैं. यू विल नॉट लर्न फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम, सो यू हैव टू लर्न that you have to check. ठीक है, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट बच्चे आपको दोबारा क्रॉस चेक करना चाहिए था टेस्ट सबमिट करने से पहले कि आपका नेम, आपके स्कूल का नेम और आपकी जो ईमेल एड्रेस है वो करेक्ट है या नहीं. इस वाले गूगल फॉर्म में तो टाइमर भी नहीं लगाया हुआ था. हमने आपको एक एडेड एडवांटेज दी थी दैट दिस टेस्ट दैट वी टुक, इट वाज विदाउट द टाइमर थिंग. बट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम ऐसे टेस्ट लेंगे तो उसमें टाइमर भी रहेगा. तब बच्चे अगर ऐसे सिली मिस्टेक्स करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगी ना. आपको अटेंटिव रहना है, कॉन्शियस रहना है. यस प्राणवी.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in math.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, my doubt is that every rational number is fraction or every fraction is rational number. Which statement is true?
Who can answer this question?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Okay, Ananya, try.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all the rational number is not fraction, but all the fraction is a rational number.
Very good. Who else wants to try? Akash, what Ananya said, is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all
Yes, ma'am,
fractions
it is
can be termed as rational numbers. All rational numbers cannot be termed as fractions. Right? Okay, Pranvi?
Okay, ma'am.
Who else has a doubt? In any subject, this is not an English class, this is a doubt class. Shashikant sir is busy somewhere, so I am taking your doubt class, and you can raise your doubts of any subject, be it English, maths, science, social science, GK, reasoning, or even if you have a problem in Hindi or Punjabi, you want to ask something, you can ask it to me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
I have a doubt in the test we have performed on Monday.
Okay, what is the doubt?
In the test, last column of the test was SST. In that, question number 7 was meaning of civics. I was not able to click any answer, so I took the screenshot and talked to the admin of our group, and he said that I'll raise your hand in class and ask that two means Megha Sharma or Mr. Sudesh sir. So I'm asking, would I get the grace marks of that?
Did you take a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
You can send it to sir and sir will send it to me and I will give you the grace marks.
Okay, ma'am.
You did a good thing.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, its right answer is related to citizen.
What?
Ma'am, I know the answer. It was related to citizen, but I was not able to click any answer.
I understand your concern. That is fine. Neha, what were you saying?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
It's very slow.
Very slow.
Yes,
Just give me
ma'am.
1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
But so I think voice is not clear. It is because there is a problem with your internet. Since all of you are from different places, it might be a possibility that my voice is not clear because of your connectivity. My voice is absolutely clear. I have asked another person from my group and my voice is clear.
Ma'am, now your voice is clear.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can you share my Google form here?
Sneha, if I will share your Google form here, there are many students, bache, who want their Google form to be shared. I cannot do this. You have to learn from your mistakes. I can do that right now, but if I do it for you, I have to do it for all the students who are asking for their Google forms and who have not entered the correct email ID. So we want all of you to learn from your mistakes. At least the next time, you will check 10 times that your email address has been rightly filled and correctly entered in the form, right? It's not that I do not
Okay,
want
ma'am.
to share it with you, but not in the class. But I want you to realize that it is your mistake. I know you want to show it to your parents, and that's very good. There are many others who want to do the same thing. But if I start providing you things like this, and if I start spoon feeding like this, You will never become self-dependent. We want you to become self-dependent, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
And
There
ma'am,
is
sorry for that mistake.
no, that is okay. You can ask. See, I told you that you can ask, and you can ask 100 times. I will clarify your doubts. If I am doing something, there is a reason behind it, and I want you to know the reason. That is why I told you that this is the reason that I did not provide the Google form. I can take the screenshot and send an email to you. I will do that, but for the last time, not from next time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Is there anyone else who wants their Google
Okay, ma'am.
form who has not received the email? You can
Yes,
type your name in the chat and type that I want my Google form on this email ID. Right now, you can enter and I will send your Google forms to your email ID. Now let's come back to the doubts. No, there is no English class, and this is also not an English class. This is just a doubt class because your maths sir is busy today. So I am taking the class on his behalf.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये डाउट क्लास हर वीक होगी?
आप चाहते हो हर वीक को?
Ma'am, yes.
ओके
Yes,
डाउट
ma'am.
क्लास तो हो जाएगी. डाउट तो कोई पूछ नहीं रहा. डाउट क्लास का मैं करूं क्या? Nobody has asked me doubt. Your only doubt is कि हमें हमारा गूगल फॉर्म नहीं मिला.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt in English subject.
Yes, Pranvi, ask.
Ma'am, on that day you ask us to tell story writing on the summer vacation,
Yes.
but we explain our feelings in the story writing. So how story writing is written is right?
Story writing is actually a fiction and imagination. You imagine things. So if we talked about summer vacation, what things all of you were saying were your experience that last summer I went to my grandmother's house. Story can be in past, story can be in future. This will happen because he thought. It can be related. Story can be in present, it can be past. It depends that what is your creation. But because it is writing, so most of the time it will be a past tense. Most of the times it will be a past tense. But if you are writing a science fiction, if you are writing a story on science fiction, if you are writing a story that what will happen in, according to me, I am creating a fiction that in 31st century, we are in the 21st century. So in the 31st century, a man was coming, this and that. So you will ultimately start it with a future tense, and it will be a thought process which will go in the past and will bring back to you to the present. But as you asked that what is the difference between what you people said and in a story, all the things that you said were past tense, that I went to my grandparents' house, but it was not a story, it was your experience. The story could have been that in the summer vacation, I went to a trip, or I went to a hill station. I found a boy there. The boy was doing this. The boy was a doctor. He was going for the treatment of a lady. The lady met someone. It has to be connected, and it has to seem more like a creation than an experience. You people were confined to 2 to 3 things mentioning about what happened in your previous summer vacation. Pranvi, am I able to clear your doubt?
Yes, ma'am, my doubt is clear now.
Okay. Anyone else Any doubts? Yes, we will keep doubt classes in future. We will keep doubt classes in future. Like I am taking the doubts for all the subjects today. Any other faculty might take in the next week or after, once your syllabus is over, a particular chapter or a particular topic is over, or after 15 days or 20 days, we will keep a doubt class. Yes, Ishita.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the story can be in past or future, not in the present.
Let's check. You try to create a story in present. We will see if it works or it doesn't work. It can be in a present continuous tense. I am going to the market and I see many people standing there. It can be. It depends that what your fiction is about, what your creation is about. It totally depends about what you are writing. If you are writing that something that has already gone, then it will be past tense. If you are describing something about now, it will be present. And if you are describing something about the future, it will be future. So it totally depends. And of course, a story is a story. It will consist past, present, as well as future. It is not mandatory that it will only consist of the past or the present, right? It can consist both. Right now I am teaching all of you. I find Ishita standing in the market and I ask her that, what are you doing? She presented me a book. So I start with present and I went to the past. Ultimately, when you will think and you will put it on paper, it will be past when you put that idea. But it's not mandatory. Like Sukhmanpreet was asking that story is in past always, or she was saying, she was correct that story is in past always. But sometimes we write a biography in which we include some stories or some past experiences which are fictioned as story. So it is right now, which it is present continuous, which we combine with the past. Okay. But most of the times the story will be in past. The story part of whatever you write, the part of the story will be in the past. Is it clear, Ishita?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Anybody else has a doubt in any subject? How many of you got the, yes.
मैम इसके बाद कोई और क्लास है किसी भी सब्जेक्ट की, जैसे मैथ की नहीं लगी तो इसके बाद लगेगी मैथ्स
इसके
की?
बाद आपकी कौन सी क्लास है?
मैम इसके बाद आज हमारी क्लास है टाइम टेबल में, बट वैसे
हाँ,
लगेगी क्योंकि
नहीं, आज आपकी क्लास नहीं लगेगी क्योंकि जो आपके मैथ्स वाले सर हैं वो बिजी हैं, इसलिए मैं उनकी जगह आपकी क्लास ले रही हूँ आज। तो हम इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं। वैसे हमने सोचा था ये क्लास हम संडे को रखेंगे, बट इसलिए हमने आज ही ये क्लास रख ली क्योंकि सर बिजी हैं। ठीक है
मैम?
हाँ जी
मैम, मैंने आपको अपनी ईमेल आईडी भेज दिया।
हाँ, सुनीति गेरा ना, मुझे मिल गई, बच्चे मिल गए।
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the test, I write my email ID correct, but I don't receive an email.
व्हाट्स योर ईमेल आईडी?
Ma'am, Ananya Sunil Sachdeva@gmail.com.
Send it to me in the chat box. I will check just in case there is some error, because many of you have made an error that you have not put the .com, due to which emails are not reaching you people. But this is the last time that I will send your tests personally after the test. From next time, if you do not enter your email correctly, nobody would be able to help you. Okay, you have to be very cautious. And one thing more, my request to all of you, all those who do not have an email ID, please create one. It is very easy, and you students are in class 8th, so I am sure you can very easily create one email ID, or you can ask your parents to help you create one email ID. Because what happens when you use your parents' email ID while attempting for the test, most of you enter it either wrong or you miss out some part, and then the system asks you for CAPTCHA or Google verification. Many of you were telling me yesterday that you got a question that the photos of the hills and the fountains and the traffic lights for confirmation. That was a Google verification, and it only comes when you have either entered an incorrect email ID, or when it asks for the password, you are entering the wrong password. Most of you must have not got that CAPTCHA verification. How many of you did not get that photo verification? Or did all of you get it? Was there anyone who did not get that verification page?
Ma'am, I did not get the verification page.
Okay. What's your email address, Tamanna?
Ma'am,
Tamanna? Okay, Ruhani, you tell me, you did not get it?
Ma'am, I get.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did not get.
Okay, Sukhmanpreet, what's your email address?
Ma'am, navjot1gmail.com.
And you were attempting the test from the phone or the laptop?
Ma'am, mobile phone.
Mobile phone. So probably the mobile phone she used, her mother or her father's email address which she was using was already logged in there, and it had the correct password. So she had entered all the details correctly. Sukhmanpreet Kaur, have you got your test on your email address?
Ma'am, yes.
See, she got her test also. She did not get any CAPTCHA verification also, because her email address was perfectly filled in. Right? So all of you have to make sure that either if you are using your parents' email addresses, you key in them properly, because the loss is yours. If you are not able to see the test, the loss is yours. The second thing that you can do, all of you, this is for you people, Sneha, this is specially for you, all those who are requesting me for the test, if you click on the link with which you have done your test, right? If you click on
Ma'am,
that,
please repeat again.
if you click on the link with which you have done the test, I think the link is in your group as well. It is or it is not
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
So from the group, if you click on the link, it will take you to a page which will say that you have already responded. Just below that, you will see view score. If you click that, or if you just click on view previous responses, you will be able to see your test. I'm 95% sure that you will be able to see your test on your own. You can try this. I will send you the mail, but still you can try this. It will work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And you have to make one email ID, or you have to be very particular about the email address of your parents that you are using, so that it becomes easier for you to see what mistakes have you made. Because if you will not be able to see the mistakes, you know your marks are 70 out of 100, but you don't know that which 30 questions are wrong. You are just assuming that I must have scored less marks in maths because my multiplication is not very good. But it might be a possibility that you have scored less marks in English or reasoning or general knowledge because you made some silly mistakes. That is a possibility. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I tried the correct email ID and cross-checked my email ID, but I got the test which I performed on email. I don't get the marks on my mail. In fact, I don't get the answer sheet of my paper on the mail, but But I got my marks from Excel.
But I have released all the scores yesterday night, last night, after I took your class, I released all the scores and everybody has received emails. How many of you have received an email which consists your test and your marks?
I got.
Yes, Palak got, Akarsh got. So if 2 people got, most of
I
you
got,
have
ma'am.
See,
Ma'am,
I think,
I also got.
Pranvi, I think you should
Ma'am,
check
I
your
got.
spam folder. Pranvi, I think you should check your spam folder, or either it might have gone to the trash, or you can just check up and down. Sometimes emails are by size, so you can just check. होगी उसमें आपने इग्नोर कर दी होगी, एक बार दोबारा चेक कर लेना, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am, I will check.
या क्योंकि अगर आपको मार्क्स मिले हैं आपकी ईमेल पे तो आपकी ईमेल एड्रेस तो करेक्ट है, तो अगर आपकी ईमेल एड्रेस करेक्ट है तो आपको अपना आपका टेस्ट भी मिलना चाहिए.
No, ma'am, I don't get the marks on my email. I got the marks from the Excel.
Okay,
Sheet.
just mention your email address here. What's your email address?
Yes, ma'am, I am typing.
Ma'am, how can I check our, ma'am, my Google form? I open the page of previous responses.
Are you able to see your test or you're not able to see your test?
Ma'am, no, I'm not able to see my test.
Okay, I'll just check and I'll send the steps. I need to check because I said I'm 95% sure. So it might be a possibility something needs to be done. Pranvi, what is your email address?
Ma'am, I had sent it to you.
Yeah, I have seen, but that is the correct email address that you have entered in the test. So you should have received the marks and everything. Just try to see your spam folder. Might be a possibility it has gone to the spam.
Yes, ma'am, I will check.
Yeah, okay. Anybody else has any doubt in any subject, be it maths, science, social studies, GK, reasoning, or you want to know anything about these classes? You can ask me. Is there anyone who feels that there is no use of these classes?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So anybody, if you want to ask anybody anything, you can ask me. Any kind of guidance you people need, you can ask me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how can we write a story?
How can you write a story?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to write a story? The first question comes this. Just because ma'am has asked you to write a story, or you want to create a fiction, or you are interested to learn to write a story? First thing is this, that why you want to write a story. Then I will be able to help you more. Ruhani, this was your question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me why you want to write a story. After that, I will give you your next answer.
Ma'am, to write our creation.
Okay, very good. So if you want to write a story, the first thing is that you have to imagine. The first step that you do is you decide what you want to write. You imagine, and the things that you imagine, you directly don't put it on a paper. You will first create an outline. Outline means that you will just put some points that this happened, after that this happened, and this happened. And after you have portrayed your outline, post that you will frame it. You will frame sentences and then you will join the links. It can be a short story, it can be a long story, it can be anything. It can be a novel. It depends. So the first thing is thinking what you want to write, putting it in your mind, clearing your mind, putting the concept in your mind, jotting down the points that make the outline, and after the outline, framing it. And then after the framing part, you finalize it by adding some introductions or conclusions or making some changes which look more effective and which look more original, or you say that it should not look like as a paragraph or as an experience. A story should look like a fiction. A story should look like a story, right? Yes, Pranvi, what is your question?
Ma'am, I checked my mail. I got the test marks, but my test marks in the mail is 81 and in the Excel my marks is 80. What is my correct marks?
Your correct marks. Even I have 80 in the Excel sheet, but that you got 80?
I also got one more plus marks in email ID.
Ma'am, I also got 1+ marks.
So this is probably, yes, you all can add 1 marks to whatever you all received. This is probably because I think there was one question which was left unmarked. It was marked and you can count 1 mark more. If it has happened with all of you, then probably the question which was left unmarked has been given marks for. Yes, Ishu?
Ma'am, I got also 1 more marks in email ID.
Okay, so you can add that 1 mark and you can count the marks plus 1. Okay. We will be winding up the class now. After this, you will not have any class for today. And tomorrow the classes will continue on the same schedule. Sanvi, you had a question that how long these classes are going to run. These classes are going to run till the time we are able to put you at a better place. We are able to see you successful. We are forever there for you. Yes, Pranvi, you have any doubt? Pranvi, you have raised your hand. You have any doubt? Okay, so we will be winding up the class. Let me talk to your sir for 1 minute. Namaskar, Malik ji.
हाँ नमस्कार जी मेघा जी, ठीक हैं आप?
हाँ जी, बहुत बढ़िया, आप बताइए।
हाँ बस ठीक है जी। और क्लास कल आपकी ही क्लास लगेगी, कल सुदेशी क्लास नहीं लगेगी।
हाँ,
तो बच्चों को आप
सुदेशी की
बता दें
लगेगी,
कि
कल मेरी क्लास लगेगी।
हाँ, और बाकी बच्चे आज बहुत एक बार परेशानी हुए थे, कल भी हो गए आज भी हो गए, दोनों दिन हो गए। तो चलो कोई नहीं जी, हो जाएगा कल।
तो शायद कुछ कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो गई थी कल, और आज शायद शशिकांत जी को ना कुछ इमरजेंसी मीटिंग में जाना पड़ गया।
वो कल ऐसा हुआ कि मुझे ना कंफर्म नहीं हो रहा था। मैं सोचा मैं कभी ना लगे क्लास में, बच्चों बुला लूं, फिर दिक्कत हो तो उससे बेहतर है कि कंफर्म हो जाए। वो हुआ नहीं तो फिर टाइम ऐसे ही टाइम हो गया जी। और आज मैंने बच्चे तैयार कर लिए। आज मैंने बच्चे को पहले ही कह दिया था कि आप क्लास लगेगी, लेकिन सर नहीं मिले तो फिर दिक्कत आई। तो कोई नहीं जी, एक आध दिन ऐसा होता है, अब ठीक हो जाएगा।
वो थोड़ा सा हमें भी इस पे ना ट्रैक पे आने पे थोड़ा सा तो कई बार हो जाता है टाइम। आप लोग यूज्ड टू हो चुके हैं, 2 साल से अब आप लोग ऑनलाइन करवा रहे हैं, हमारे लिए थोड़ी नई चीज है। तो बट
जी
आ जाएगा सब कुछ ट्रैक पे। हो रहा है फिर भी मैनेज।
ठीक है जी। बच्चों को एक बार फिर क्लियर कर दीजिए कि कल 8:20 पे आपकी क्लास ही होगी, बाकी कोई नहीं होगी।
ठीक है, मैं कर देती हूँ। ठीक है जी,
वेलकम। नमस्कार।
नमस्ते। Noorpreet, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am, I raised my hand by mistake.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Really sorry,
Yes,
ma'am.
ask. Yes, ask. Who wants to ask? फटाफट पूछो।
Ma'am, what is the right pronunciation of schedule?
Schedule.
Ma'am, what?
Schedule.
Ma'am, it's schedule.
Schedule. If you want to say schedule, schedule is not a wrong word. We can use it. We use it in Indian language. Indian English, we use it as schedule. There are two types of English. One is the American pronunciation. One is the British pronunciation. In India, we use the British pronunciation. So as per the British pronunciation and the Indian pronunciation, it is schedule. As per the American pronunciation, it is schedule.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
आज आप लोगों की मैथ्स क्लास नहीं हुई है, इसके बाद आपकी कोई क्लास नहीं है. कल 8:20 पर आपकी इंग्लिश की क्लास होगी विद मी. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody has a doubt regarding the schedule of the classes? हाँ जी.
Ma'am, and studies class.
What? Tomorrow you
Ma'am,
will not have your social studies class. You will only have your English class.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow there won't be any class of Dr. Sudesh. He is busy somewhere. So he would be continuing from the next week. Only I will be taking your class at 8:20.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next time when we have a doubt class, it should not be like this. The first thing, next time when you have a doubt class, it should not be like this. Doubt class is a very special class because you get special time to clear your doubts, be it any subject. So from the next time, be ready with your questions, whatever you want to ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I
Okay,
understand
ma'am.
this was a
Okay, ma'am.
surprise class, so you all were not ready, but still your participation was good. But I would request all of you to be actively participant in the next doubt class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So we will end up the class for today.
We have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Good night.
Bye bye. Good
Ma'am,
night.
bye. Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wish you have a wonderful.
Thank you. You too have a wonderful day.
We have a good.
Thank you so much. Okay, I am ending the class now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, have a good day.
Thank you.